So while making and designing homes, there are so many things which you can get confused with, like what size of a rug to buy, how to place the wall decor, what kind of home decor is required. So today I'm going to tell you about some interior design do's and don'ts which you should definitely follow while planning your home. Hi guys, I'm Sonika, an interior designer, and welcome to my channel Coloraza Architecture and Interior Design. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe now. Do not hang art too high from furniture pieces. It should be above 57 to 60 inches from floor to center of the artwork. It should be hanged at eye level or little lower. Do not hang artwork too far apart. Don't leave much open space. Artwork should be 2/3 width of the furniture and approximately 2 to 3 inches apart. While selecting a rug for a living room, do not select a small sized rug. Always select a rug large enough so that the front legs of each furniture pieces sits on the rug. Similarly, while selecting a rug for a dining table, do not go for a small size, rather large enough so that even after pulling out all the chairs, the legs of the chair remain on the rug. There is no point having a smaller rug in front of the bed. Layering the rug horizontally under the bed is your best option. You certainly want some of the rug exposed on the top too, so that when you get up, you are able to place your feet onto the rug. While hanging curtains for larger windows, never hang curtains right above the window, rather hang them from the ceiling. And for smaller windows, never hang curtains the same length as the window, rather hang the curtains full length till the floor. While hanging televisions on your wall, always remember to have hidden wires. If you have your television directly on the wall, you can get internal wiring done, or you can have panels for your wires to go behind them and have open space for your set-top box and DVD players. Another important interior design do is the distance of your furniture from your television as per its size. I hope today's video was useful. Do subscribe to my channel, do like, share and comment on my video, and thanks for watching.